Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are going to be making some Surrealist paint tubes. I know, sounds kind of weird. So what I want you to do today is I want you to imagine a tube of paint, and when you open up the cap and you squeeze out some of the paint, it's not just a plain color like red or blue or yellow, but instead it's something that could never exist within a paint tube. So maybe your paint tube is the ocean, or maybe when you open your paint tube and the paint spills out, it looks like a galaxy. So I want you to be thinking of some scenes or some patterns even that could never exist inside of a paint tube. And because we're thinking like surrealists, reality can be blurred a little bit. And so today we're going to be making 3 different paint tubes. We're going to draw along together. So you'll need a pencil and then we'll outline in Sharpie, erase our pencil lines. We're going to be drawing today on watercolor paper because at the end, I want you to watercolor in the 3 different scenes, right? And then we'll label our paint tubes as well. So of course, these could never really, well, maybe someday in the future they'll exist in real life, but at least to my knowledge, right now in this day and age, this technology does not yet exist for you to open up a paint tube and squeeze out the paint and have it be a forest. But we're going to be very creative today, and I want you to think of 3 unique ways to create a surrealist paint tube, and we'll go ahead and make those right now. So go ahead and grab your materials, and let's get started. Hey everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.